Gotta be a fool not to speak his name. None of you niggas care for me, I had to speak. Lost my mind, played the streets, I had to speak. Sleep with my safety off, I had to speak. God knows I ain't weak, I had to speak. Lost religion from the fuck shit, I had to speak. Know he with me all the time, I had to speak. False prophecy, got your blind, I had to speak. Never in the circle, got my people brainwashed. Take the shades out, motherfuckers. Gotta watch the shit they do and how them crackers move. At the bottom of the barrel with they foot on my neck. Scared to leave the house, nigga, cause I might be next. See my skin brown, on my crown I spoke dreads. Say what's on my mind so they see me as a threat. At night I can't sleep, wake up in cold sweats. Blame it on the drugs, motherfucker, that's a bet. Visualizing dreams of daylight, now that's deep. Call a nigga crazy, give a fuck, this me. Pour it out my soul, don't need a drum beat. Close to the edge, don't